Hello everyone, my name is Nashila Duparita. My student number is 122319. I'm from Universitas PPD. Today, I would like to talk about the impact of Iran war on Indonesian economy. Before I start, I want to ask you a simple question. Have you ever thought that a war happening far away from Indonesia could affect on our daily lives? Maybe we think the war in the Middle East, so why should Indonesian worry about it? Actually, a conflict in one country can affect many other countries, including Indonesia. Iran is an important country in the Middle East. It is also located near the Strait of Hormuz, an important route for international oil transportation. Because of this, when there is a war or serious conflict involving Iran, the world economy can be affected. One of the biggest impacts is the increase in oil and fuel price. When a war happens, the supply of oil can become uncertain. Countries and businesses may worry that oil transportation could be disrupted. Because of the uncertainty, oil price can increase. For Indonesia, higher oil price can become a problem because Indonesia still needs fuel and energy for transportation, business factories, and many other activities. If fuel price increase, transportation costs can also increase. For example, delivery service might become more expensive. Transportation for goods and cost for more. Factories might also need to spend more money on energy. When the cost of producing and transporting could increase, business may increase their prices, and this can lead to inflation. Inflation means that the price of goods and services increase, while our money has less purchasing power. For example, if the price of transportation, food, or, or other daily necessities increase, people might need to spend more than before. This can be difficult, especially for people with limited income. The impact can also be felt by Indonesian business. Small business or UMKM can be affected because they might have higher costs for raw materials, transportation, and production. For example, imagine a small food business. The business needs ingredients, electricity, gas, and transportation. If these costs increase, the owner has two choices. The first choice is to increase the price of the product. But if the price becomes too expensive, customers might buy less. The second choice is to keep the price the same, but then the business may receive less profit. So, international conflict can indirectly create a problem for small business in Indonesia. Another possible impact is one the Indonesia currency and investment. When there is a global conflict, investors can become more careful. Some investors might move their money to countries or assets that they consider safe. This can create pressure on developing countries, including Indonesia. If even investment decreases, business may have less money to expand. It can also affect economic growth and employment opportunities. However, we will some remember that our war does not only create problems. There can also be some opportunities for Indonesia. one important opportunity in the development of renewable energy. When global oil prices become uncertain, countries have a strong reason to reduce their dependence on fossil fuels. Indonesia has many natural resources that can be used for renewable energy. For example, Indonesia has sunlight, water, wind, and geothermal energy. If Indonesia can develop renewable energy properly, we can reduce our dependence on imported fuel in the future. This can make Indonesian economy more stable when global oil price increase. So, what can Indonesia do to reduce the impact of an international conflict like the Iran war? First, the government needs to control inflation and make sure that basic necessities remain affordable. Second, the government can support local business and UMKM, especially businesses that are affected by increased production and transportation costs. Third, Indonesia should continue developing renewable energy. And finally, Indonesia needs to maintain good relations with other countries. Good international relations are important because Indonesia is part of the global economy. We can completely avoid the effect of international conflicts. However, we can prepare ourselves and reduce the negative impact. In conclusion, the war may happen far away from Indonesia, but its economic effect can reach us. The conflict can affect oil price, transportation costs, business costs, inflation, investment, and the purchasing power of Indonesian people. However, every challenge can also create an opportunity. Indonesia can use this situation as a reason to become more independent in energy, support local business, and development renewable energy. So, the most important thing is not only how Indonesia reacts of the crisis, but also how Indonesia prepare for future challenges. Before I finish, I want to ask you one question. If fuel price continues to increase because of international conflict, what do you think Indonesia should do to protect its economy? Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation can help us understand that even though a conflict happened far away, its impact can still reach us daily. Thanks all for me. Thank you. I have a nice day.